Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is Rhonda. Thank you very much for coming and watching and showing your love and support. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. I apologize for that noise. My air conditioner is not really working efficiently, and it is just so hot in here, so I do apologize, but I figure the noise is better than watching me have sweat pour down my face, and that would not be very pleasant, I'm sure. I have my base boxes here from Boxycharm. let me look these up here so I can tell you exactly what they weighed. Let's see, that was that one. And let me make sure I have them. I have two, so I want to make sure I have it the right one here. Okay, that's that one. Okay, the first one weighed exactly 1 pound, and it is variation number 7. Well, I don't know that I've seen one that low in a long time. And let me pull my calculator up here so I can tell you. This was my first choice, was the Too Faced. I used it earlier and I was really impressed with this. I liked it better than the Tarte Shape Tape or whatever it's called. I liked it better than my Becca. I liked it. I really liked this. It's about worn off now, but I put this on early this morning. I mean, hours and hours ago. It's almost dark now, so this was early. And this is, I got this one in the color, I think this one is in the color Shortbread. It comes with the big doe foot thing. I've got other swatches on me, but that is the color of the Shortbread. I really like this. Y'all know I love Too Faced packaging. I did a review on this. This video will probably go up before it because I'm trying to get the boxes up first, since it is that time of month to where everybody's getting their boxes or they're curious about their boxes. So that is valued at $29, and it says conceal, contour, and highlight and retouch with this super perfecting natural finish concealer. Makeup hybrid, full loaded pigments provide maximum coverage with an undetectable finish for a look so flawless they'll think you were born this way. And the next thing I got is what is this? Velvet Lip Protector by Clarins. This retails for $26. This is Clarins' best-selling natural lip perfectors. Go bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented, velvety finish with a soft blur effect. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. Okay, and I got this color is Velvet Rosewood. And I know I'd mentioned to y'all before that when I get this down, it's pretty packaging, down better, I do plan on eventually doing some spoilers. I have so many things in mind that I want to share. Ooh. It's got the little, it's like a foam. Yeah, it's like a foam tip applicator. Yeah, I really want to share my all kinds of life things. That's pretty. Yeah. I was thinking this was just a gloss or something, but that is really, that's going to be nice. I will have to do a review on this very soon. Let's see, again, that retails for $26. And then I got this Hydroglow Sleep Serum, triple action hyaluronic acid for all skin tones. And let's see, this is a pump. Oop, there we go. You can see how that would spread very easily there. As soon as it hit my skin, it like melted. So let's see what it says about that. It retails for $44.95. So let me add that to the calculator so I can tell y'all the value of this when we get done. It says, great for the day with glowing skin, or greet the day with glowing skin. Hydroglow Sleep Serum instantly absorbs with a triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time-released multi-depth hydration for fully hydrated skin that glows. Wake up looking fabulous and greet the day with glowing skin. I just may try that tonight. And then I got the Real Her I Am Inspiring Brow Pencil. This retails for $16. And this says, this long-lasting micro tip pencil allows you to create individual-like hairs for a subtle or bold brow look. Its creamy wax-based formulation glides beautifully and naturally on skin. The waterproof pencil is stress-free to help you through any challenges you face in life. And that is $16. Let's see if I can find out anything about it. Of course, we know Real Her is vegan, paraben-free, cruelty-free. I like to try to stay with anything that's not cruelty. I mean, that is cruelty-free. I do not like to support cruelty to anything. So I don't see anything on here telling me a shade. I guess it's, does it say a universal?
Every time I come in, I surprise my little dog Pixie, and I'm like, just knowing she cried.
Okay, let me finish my video, baby. Okay, I would say this must be, okay, it has the spoolie on the end. So, and it's just a brown shade. Yeah, it must be a universal because there is nothing on here. I'm not seeing anything. Did I read anything about it being universal? I don't see anything unless I'm just overlooking it that tells a shade. I do like Real Her products. Anything I've tried from Real Her, I do like them. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything on here. I'll look later, but I don't see anything on here that tells a shade. And then I got this. I was hoping I would get this. The fan is blowing the hair in my face, but I don't know if he bumped it when he came through and made it move a little bit, because it seems like it's blowing more than it was. So there's that. And then it comes with the big mirror. There's the shades. I don't know why when I look at my camera, it's like this looks purple. This is actually a really bright pink. I don't know why it shows it. Let's see if I can get it. See, it shows it as, this is purple, this is pink. Let's see if I put it on my arms, if it shows. That is so odd. I don't know why it does that. But I noticed on another palette, and a couple other people I noticed said that, let's see if I turn my light on. Look how bright I am. Let me turn it down. See if I turn a better light on, if it will show it better. Now, that shows it a little bit better, doesn't it? Let's see how close. It does look more pink now than it did. You can see now that it's pink. Okay. Still not as pink. You can't really see it as pink as it really is, but it definitely, from what I can see, doesn't look as purple. Let's try a couple other colors. I will do a whole review on this. This is a green called Aqua, and this is Blue Sky. These are pretty colors. Let's see. Let's try this rose gold, copper, and this bronze. It seems like it's got really good pigment. Let's try this chocolate brown, because it's a matte, and this clay. Let's see. Okay, so it's got some nice pigment to it, or it appears to be. I know it's hard to tell in swatches until you actually put it on. You can't really tell, because sometimes swatches and actually putting it on are two different things. So this one retails for $36. So my box retails for $151.95. That is what all of my products retail for, and y'all know this box is $25. I used to use the extra products that I would get, like doubles or something, or things that I wouldn't use, and I would give them to, say, younger girls, or that's usually who I would give it to. And I still do, of course, like birthdays, or just something. Sometimes if I feel like they just need cheered up, or girls I know, and I'm also putting things up for my giveaways. I was going to cancel one of the boxes. Every month I say I'm going to cancel, but then they have things I really like, so I don't. And now that I've got my channel going, I don't know, I think I need to keep it so that I can have my giveaway items. And it seems like y'all really like, or the majority of people really like, these kind of things. So let me see what my other box weighs. I think I'm going to do it separate though, so y'all that don't make sense. So y'all don't have to watch both videos to see what you're interested in. I'm going to keep the videos separate. So I will be posting another video in just shortly, as soon as it gets downloaded. I love you guys. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.